how to download and install Cash App on iPhone. Now, if you want to download and install Cash App like I've done in my case, right, it is very simple to do so. But first, what you want to do is make sure you're connected to a proper internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular, you can try to switch to Wi-Fi or whatever is something that you use primarily. Then after that, simply launch your App Store on iPhone. That looks like this. At the top, you can see the search bar. At the bottom, you can see the search icon. Tap on either of those and simply type in Cash App, then hit the search button. After you do that, you'll find the Cash App application. If you have not installed it before, you'll find the Get option there, where if you tap on Get, you must verify your face biometric verification. If you have installed it but uninstalled it before, you'll find the cloud-like download icon. If you've installed it and if it requires an update, you'll also find an update button just in case. So just tap the update button, and once you've done that, Cash App will be successfully downloaded, installed, or even updated on your device. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.